Spiro iravuga ngo ni imbaraga mu muhanda. Imbaraga zigenda rero ntabwo zigenda gakeya. The journey of Spiro started in 2022 November, and by the end of 2022 we had sold only, I wouldn't say only because it was just beginning, we had sold only 22 bikes. At the end of 2023, it was around 946 bikes. And at the end of 2024, it was around 16,000. But guess what, where we are? Today, we are at around 33,000 of bikes on the road. Nukuvuga ngo mu gihe Spiro yatangiraga muri 2022 mu kwa 11 twagurishije icyo gihe moto 22 muri uwo mwaka. Umwaka wakurikiyeho tugurisha moto zigera kuri 944. Ubundi wakurikiyeho twagurishije ibihumbi ari uwo mwaka wa 24 ibihumbi 16 urangira. Ariko uyu munsi tugeze mu bihumbi 33 biri mu muhanda. Urugendo rwa Spiro ntabwo ari urugendo rugenda gakeya. It's not a journey that is slow, because Spiro is energy on the move. Now when you have energy on the move, then you know that it is really going fast. And when Spiro started in 2022, I started with 5 employees, but today we have more than 2,022 employees and still onboarding. Nukuvuga ngo urugendo rwa Spiro ntabwo ari urugendo rugarukira muri moto gusa. Spiro itangira muri 22 yari ifite yatangiranye abakozi 5, ariko uyu munsi dufite abakozi barenga ibihumbi 222. Abo bose ni abakozi batunze ingo zabo. Now let's talk about the customer-centric, because customer-centric is one of nimwe mu ndangagaciro ya Spiro, kandi niyo ngira ngo mvugeho uyu munsi. Iyo ndangagaciro yo kwita ku mukiriya nagira ngo mbabwire urugendo rw'umukiriya na Spiro. Spiro is one of those companies, or I mean, it could even be the only one, do your math and do your research, which stays with his customer from the initiation point until the end. Spiro niyo company igumana n'umukiriya wayo kuva batangiye kugeza barangiza. First of all, you acquire a motorbike from Spiro, then you recharge your bike from Spiro's energy department.
Murihuta tumuzane. Ako muri serious. Okay, reka tubanze dukurikire ijambo rya MD wa Spiro, hanyuma dukomeze n'izindi gahunda. Ariko mumenye ko Riderman hari, mumenye yuko DJ P3 hari.
something more. More income, more opportunity, more possibility. And we realized something else. The motorcycle that moves Rwanda forward. The Thousand Hills motorcycle, because it was built for a country that refuses to let a hill stand between people and their dreams. That hill isn't just a hill. Quietly, powerfully, efficiently. Because when your livelihood depends on moving forward, your motorcycle should never be the reason you stop. Built around your life, and we thought about what happens after the hill. The long days, the rough roads, the unexpected moments. So we built it to give you confidence with powerful performance, dependable braking, and technology designed around the realities of everyday riding. And because we know that, this motorcycle represents, we went further. Your phone can connect to your bike. You can monitor it. And if someone tries to take it, you can know. You can even lock it remotely. Because when someone takes your motorcycle, they aren't just taking a machine. They are touching someone's livelihood. And we believe that livelihood deserves protection. More than a motorcycle, but here's what makes this motorcycle truly important. It isn't about the metal. It isn't about the technology. It isn't about the motorcycle itself. It's about what happens because you own one. A rider earns more. A family has more. A business reaches more customers. A young person gets another opportunity. A mother gets home safely. A child gets to school. And Rwanda takes one more step towards a cleaner future. That's the real journey. Not from point A to point B, but from where you are to where you want to be. And that's why we don't want the EKON M1 V3 to be a motorcycle people simply admire. We want it to be a motorcycle people can build with. A motorcycle that works for you. A motorcycle that helps you earn. A motorcycle that helps you move your family forward. M1 V3. Move your work, move your family, move Rwanda. And together, let's move towards a cleaner tomorrow. Murakoze cyane.
Murakoze nk'uko bisanzwe nk'umumotari, turashimira Spiro ko yatuzaniye izindi moto kuko isanzwe dutekerezaho ko bukeye n'uko bwije, ikaba yatuzaniye izindi moto M1 version ya gatatu, ikaba ikwiriye kugenda mu rw'imisozi 1000 ari rwo Rwanda rwacu. Iyo moto umwihariko wayo namwe murimo kuyibona uko imeze, ifite kara nziza, motiseri zayo murazibona hano hose irafunitse kwa kundi umwanda ujyamo hano imbere wajyamo. Hari n'ikibazo cyitwara tugira hahandi ugera mu mikuku nyine ukumvira kora hasi, iyo ni ndendire hejuru cyane, uragenda wicayeho anafata feri. Hamwe nk'abamotari bajya bagira ikibazo bagiye nko muri ya misozi 1000 twavuga ikaba yakora hasi, yo ni ndende cyane ku bijyanye na feri ibintu byose nawe murabibona umusego muremure umusego ni munini cyane na ba bantu banini tujya tugira bwo kurya neza urabona ko wakwicaraho nta kibazo murotiseri ni ndende ikaba iyo moto iremereye nawe murayibona bakaba bongeye bayituzaniye bayitugereje ku isoko nkaba nabaye wa mbere mu kugira gute ukongera kuyigura ngo nkomeze akazi nk'uko bisanzwe muri Spiro nk'uko bahora badutekereza batuzanira ibyiza
Tari nk'ibisanzwe uyu munsi ngarutse nje gushimira Spiro yongeye kuzana moto nziza M1 version 3 moto natwaraga mu minsi yashize yari moto idashobora guterera mu misozi ahantu hahanamye ahantu hari imikuku ahantu hari amazi tukagira ikibazo ko ari ngufiya ariko murabibona yigiye hejuru ni nziza nayikunze nayitwaye numvira ryoshye ifite amabara meza ifite mortiseri nziza muri kubibona ifite umusego mu by'ukuri iyi moto igiye kuba igisubizo ku bamotari nanone